Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, samahan nyo akong magluto ng steamed garlic prawns. Ang mga ingredients ng ating recipe for today ay ito, prawns. Okay, so nalinis ko na siya, deveined, then I cut it like this. Then, meron tayong glass noodles or vermicelli noodles which I soak it and inilagay ko na dyan sa plate. Meron tayong minced garlic, fried garlic for toppings, spring onion. We have here 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 cup water, yung ating Chinese wine. Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng Chinese wine. And our oil for frying. Okay, so, tayo ay mag-i-start ng magluto ng ating recipe for today. Samahan nyo ako, guys! Okay, so let's heat up the small pan. And then, mainit na siya. Lagyan natin ng oil. Okay, so mainit na yung ating mantika. Ilagay natin yung ating garlic. Okay, so halu-haluin natin dahil ayaw natin masunog yung ating garlic. So, i-fry lang natin until it releases the flavor. And then, let's add our oyster sauce. Okay. Punin pa natin yung natira. Ayan. So, stir-fry a bit. Next is our soy sauce. And then, let's put our sugar. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng Chinese wine. Now, let's add our water. Okay. Ayan siya. Pakuluan lang natin ng konti. Kapag kumulo na siya, let's turn off the heat. And then, palalamigin natin yung ating sauce. Now, let us arrange our prawns. Okay, so, inilagay ko sa isang plate yung ating glass noodles and then, on top of it, ilagay natin yung ating prawns. Okay. So, I arrange it like this. Pagka lumamig na yung ating sauce, ilalagay natin siya on top of the prawns. So, stay tuned, guys. Okay, so, ayan na yung ating sauce. Malamig na siya. Ang gagawin natin ay maglagay tayo dito sa ating prawns. Okay. So, i-open up lang natin. Yan. Okay, so ito na siya, guys. Nailagay ko na yung ating sauce. Then, naghanda na rin ako ng wok para pag-istiman natin ng ating prawns. Okay, so hintayin lang natin siya na mag-boil bago natin ilagay yung ating garlic prawns. Stay tuned, guys! Okay, guys, ready na yung ating water. Lalagay na natin yung ating prawns. So, we will cook this 4 to 5 minutes high heat. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, ito na siya guys. Ilagay natin yung ating spring onion. Then, lagyan natin siya ng fried garlic. Okay, that's it. So, ito na yung ating recipe for today. Ayan guys. A little bit of water. Ayan. Then, lagyan natin ng ground pepper. Okay, i-simmer natin. Let's cover. And then, simmer it hanggang maluto yung ating lady finger. Okay, so, ayan na siya guys. Naluto na siya. Now, ibuhos natin yung ating fried garlic. And let's turn off the fire. Okay, ang sarap niya guys. Promise, subukan nyo ito. Ito na siya. Ready na yung ating lady finger with curry sauce.
दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे, दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे। वफाओं की हमसे सबक खो गई है, वफाओं की हमसे सबक खो गई है। ज़माने को अपना बना कर तो देखा, तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल, दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे, दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे। वफाओं की हमसे सबक खो गई है, वफाओं की हमसे सबक खो गई है। ज़माने को अपना बना कर तो देखा, तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल।